Penia, after watching other videos, he's pondering how he will get those girls he's popping on, so he needed the money. Then he received a message on Instagram of his crush saying that she received the money from this guy on internet and she recommended someone else that she is the mentor. Remember, Penia love girls. This girl tells him how this mentor can make a lot of money for him in forex trading. Then Penia realized that he get everything that he needed. He just borrowed the money from his friend and exactly sending that amount of money on that so-called mentor. Guess what? After receiving that money from that time, Penia was blocked. She's no longer talking to him. So guess what? All these accounts were hacked. They started to DM everyone, including Penia. Don't be Penia. Remember to like this video for the algorithm and subscribe to the channel for the motivation. Here we are going to talk about the 7 risks of forex trading and how you can avoid them. First, get scammed by fake mentors. All the fake mentors just have one thing in common. They just text you fast. Who is the mentor who can text you fast? Nobody. Nobody can text you fast telling you everything. Because they know everyone gets scammed into their name. So they don't want to get involved in that scamming thing. Don't allow anyone to text you telling that he's a mentor or whatever he can teach you. All the good mentors have this elegant thing. They can't text you first. You have to approach them. They can't approach you. First write their details and search for it. Everyone who is not a scammer, they just have to have like a website or the things which can show them as professionals. So don't get scammed. There is these fake mentors who just have a lot of money and everything. This is how you will get them. You will see them showing off a lot on the internet. Good mentors can't show off, showing you how much money they made. They show you what they have. They show you what they can teach you. They offer you things they can teach you, and for free. And you decide if you can follow them or not. But they can't show you, yo, here is the money that I made. That's the thing. Even if you can make it as a guru, that's how they call them. I didn't even know that mentor was a person actually. Back in time, there is this guy. He was about to die and just tell the son, your son, I'm going to send you someone. I'm going to send you a mentor who will guide you in this life. That guy was called mentor, not a mentor. That was a name. Mentor is the name of the person actually. So the fake guru will just tell you, yo, I've made this. You know, I can show you how to make the money. The fake gurus will show you how you can get the cars and the houses and the cash and everything, but they will not show you how you will make a good discipline, how you will make it into this market of forex trading. So this is how you will differentiate the fake gurus and good gurus or good mentors. The second risk of forex trading, you will lose everything before you get anything. Means what? You will lose everything, whatever you will make. Or you can follow the mentor before you enter in the market. When you follow the mentor, you can't lose anything in the market. I mean, you can't lose everything. But the good mentor tells you, don't quit your job, don't do this. Like, I know the friends of mine who just sold their cars and even the cameras. Like for me, as I'm a videographer, you have your cousin or someone else who just sold something to get into the market and they lose that thing. So means you will lose everything. The second risk, you will lose everything before you gain anything in the market. So after losing everything, you will start to be broke. That's the third risk of forex trading. You will start to be broke. There is this even psychology came into your mind, tells you that you are going to follow the path of forex trading no matter what, because you've lost everything. You know that you are going to be fixed, and you follow the path of forex trading, start to search everything on forex trading. This mentality tells you that you don't have to go like to search for the money. I told you how I take forex trading. I take it as the double the money game. of financial, in the money game, stuff like that. So it's a double the money game. Like you have to find the money, and forex will make your money doubled quickly as possible, not get rich quick scheme. After lose everything and started to be broke, guess what? You will be depressed. That's the fourth risk of forex trading. You will start to get depressed. Everyone will tell you that these things are for losers, and you don't want to be a loser. So you will just follow their path, and you'll be like, you will start to feel yourself that you are a loser. Then that time you will be depressed. That's the fourth risk of being a forex trader. Every forex trader is depressed or was depressed due to this market, because market will humble you. This market will humble you, will teach you how to be in this world. If you're just an arrogant, you will stop to be an arrogant and start to be a good person. The fifth risk of forex trading is quitting your current job after getting all the money in the market. Market trick you for the first time. Every trader can tell you this. They trick you. Not the market, you trick yourself, because it's a little bit prediction. You can predict. You follow the market. When it's buying, then you buy, then boom, it goes in your way. When you started to get a lot of money, then you start to get $1,000 a day. Even on other markets, actually, to get $1,000, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money in America. Wherever you are in this world, $1,000 a day is a lot of money when you're not a millionaire or whatever. After getting $1,000, first week, second week, then you'll be like, you know what? I'm quitting a job. Guess what? You're gaining a lot of money. Probably $1,000. It's a lot of money if you're in Africa. That can be like a monthly salary or on someone who is good. If you're in America, like $2,000 or $5,000 whatever dollars, that's a lot of money. Then you'll be like, okay, guess what? I'm quitting a job. I'm quitting my current job. If you were working in a bank, if you were working as a photographer, videographer as me, if you're working in everywhere, if you was a lawyer or whatever, you'd be like, you know what? I'm quitting this job because job sucks. And forex trading, it's not sucks as well. Like you just sit on the chart, then boom, you get a lot of money, then walk out in the market as a king. So it just tricks you, getting a lot of money, then you wanted to quit your job. That's the only thing forex trading, that's the risk thing it can do for you. The good thing I can tell you, do not quit your current job and follow trading when you are not making it almost like a year. If you're consistently, they call them profitable traders. If you are not profitable trader, don't quit your current job to follow forex trading. Don't even. We all tried that, but it didn't work. As I told you, I take forex trading as the double the money game. Double the money game, this is how it is. Like in the double the money game, this is how it's explained. So don't quit your job to follow the path of, even if it can give you $1,000 a day, even if it can give you $100,000 a day. You can even get it. Don't be tricked. Withdraw them, use them, whatever, but don't quit your job for forex trading. As you can make a lot of money, forex trading is the same thing as you can lose everything in the market. That's how the market it is. As the days come, you're gonna lose your friends, you're gonna lose your family members, the trust and everything, because it's a depression thing. There is a lot of things in here just can make you lose friends, because you're going to follow your path. You're going to have a lot of realities in your mind, because it's going to open your mind and shows you the fake friend. It's going to review all those friends, actually, if they are true friends, if they are real, if they are fake. You're going to review them, because this thing opens your mind. This forex trading opens your mind to show you the truth of forex trading. You're gonna lose the friends, you're gonna lose your family members' trust. And lastly, if you have a wife or a partner, you're gonna break up or divorce. You can't say no, this and this, but this thing of forex trading can make you depressed, lose hope, can make you, review your personality, can make you review fake friends or real friend. So guess what? If you're with real wife or real husband or real girlfriend or boyfriend, you're gonna review them. You're gonna see if they are fake, if they are, then they be like, even them, they will see you weirdly, like they will look you weirdly, because you're going to be crazy at some point, because you're going to be depressed, you're going to not be trustworthy, you're going to tell them that the thing they were not supposed to know, they would just tell you that you are a loser, yet you are loving it. Then you will be like, you know what, F you, I'm going to be on my own. If you have a wife or husband, you'll be like, you know what, you don't even love me, you're not even supporting me, or you will even loving them, or you just have to have the issues with them. You're not going to break up or like divorce them, but you're going to have the issues with them. That's all I mean in divorcing with them. Trading is for strong people, not for the weak people. So you have to be strong enough to start forex trading. So this is what I can recommend before you start forex trading. Man, weren't you recording all this time? Don't tell me. I swear to God, I can't record all this. No! Okay, this is how I was supposed to end this video. So I hope you find it informative, and please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel for the motivation. I hope to see you in the next story.